The engine oil change and filter service at A+ Japanese Auto Repair is a little bit different than what you might get, let's say, at a Jiffy Lube or a Midas or a Firestone. How's it different? Well, we start with a road test on your vehicle. We know and specialize in Japanese vehicles, so if you have a vehicle, we've seen it here in the shop before, we're going to notice things. Do you have a vibration? Do you have a noise? There's something pending going on with that vehicle. Our technician should pick up on that on the road test. Once we bring it into the shop, we'll check all of your exterior lights. Then we move back to the vehicle. We pop the hood. We'll check all of the underhood fluids. If there's an issue, we'll let you know. We check the belts and hoses. We'll take a look at that. If there's an issue, we'll let you know. Once it's up in the air, we'll look at the engine. We'll look at the transmission. This is just a visual, quick inspection. If there's some sort of leak, we'll take a picture of it. We'll send you the picture and we can look at it together and figure out how to move forward. Now, back to the oil change itself, we'll drain out the oil, we'll change your engine oil filter, we clean all the mating surfaces where these components go, and then we replace them with a high quality oil filter and a drain plug gasket. Now, make sure your drain plug gasket's always getting changed. It's a few dollars. It seals that drain plug, keeps it from leaking. We've seen a lot of cars come in where they don't do that and it's a minor leak and it's more of an annoyance than anything. Leak onto your driveway and such. So we change that. Once the car is all done, we lower it down and we top your vehicle off either with a synthetic blend oil or a full synthetic oil, depending on what your vehicle needs. And then we'll go ahead and put an oil sticker in, reset your maintenance light, and you're all set to go.